Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the essentials. Connect the device to your PC with the original cable and enable USB debugging so the tool can communicate. Once done, launch the Android repair application and let it detect the model. This avoids mismatched firmware. Make sure you chose the correct region and carrier options where applicable, because flashing the wrong package can brick the phone. Now start the repair wizard and follow the first prompts to back up any recoverable data before proceeding. You now perform the core repair steps. First, pick the repair type: System Restore for soft errors, Boot Fix for boot loops, or Full Firmware Reinstall for severe corruption, so the tool applies the right commands. Then download the vetted firmware and verify its checksum to ensure integrity. Next, reboot the device to bootloader mode and let the tool push the files. Monitor progress and logs so you can spot errors early. If prompts appear, follow them exactly to maintain device stability and data consistency. You finish by rebooting into the normal OS and completing initial setup to confirm success. Check Wi-Fi, cellular, and basic apps. If the device still misbehaves, capture the repair tool logs and retry using safe or fast boot mode, which bypasses some boot scripts. Make sure to restore your backup if needed. One key troubleshooting tip: if flashing fails repeatedly, try a different USB port or cable and verify the firmware matches exact model and carrier. Mismatches are the most common cause.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.